Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling this component, do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. This is the component I have already modeled in NX. The same component we are going to recreate it in NX. To do this, first go to the file, new. Here choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, save OK. This is our model. First I am going to start with this sketch. We can create this sketch in 2 steps also. We can go for a single step also. Based on your style you can do it. Here I am going to create this model step by step. First I am going to create this rectangle plate. Then I will create this cylinder. Then I will go for this support plate. One by one I am going to create it. For that go to the sketch, front plane, save OK. First take the rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify this length. This length is 75. Press enter it. Do you want to save the entire sketch? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now the thickness is 9 mm. 9. Just enter it. Just make this object symmetric. For that, select this point, and select this axis. Save OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Make this as a symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 52. Save OK. Now I have created this base plate. Then we'll go for this cylinder. For that, go to the sketch again. Take the front plane. Save OK. Here just create 2 circles. Circle 1. Circle 2. Inner circle diameter is 30. Here they have given radius. Diameter is 30 mm. Yes. And outer circle is 15 plus 8, 23 is a radius. Just specify 23 plus plus enter it. Now we need to specify the center distance is 40 mm from this top edge. From this point to here go for entire sketch. From this point to here, the distance is 40. Save OK. Now we need to cut these edges. For that, this midpoint, just go for the horizontal line. Press the roller to confirm. Similarly, take the line from this point, just make a horizontal line. Press the roller to confirm. Press the roller to confirm again. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a trim. Just trim this line, this line, this line, this one, and this one. Press the roller to confirm. This distance has to be specified. This is 8 mm. Now see, the sketch is fully defined. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Make it here as a symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 52. Save OK. Now we have created both things. Now just we need to create this one. For that, go to the sketch again. Select this front one. Save OK. Take this rectangle. Here make sure in entire assembly. From here to here, just create it. Press the roller to confirm. Here, this point has to be coincident constraint. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify this thickness as 9 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Now just go to the. Now the sketch is fully defined. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value 52. Here it is subtract is showing. We need to unite it. Save OK. Now these two are separate object. We need to unite it. For that, just go to unite. Select the first one. Select the second one as this one. Save OK. Now both the objects are united. Then we just want to create a rib this side as well as that side. For that, just go to the sketch again. select this front plane, say OK. To create a rib, go to the profile, just connect these 2 points, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. The sketch is fully defined. The single line is enough to create the rib. Now select this line, go for the rib. It is automatically creating this rib at a symmetric value. If you want to make one side, you can make it. Now we need to make it as a symmetric with a thickness of 8 mm. Say OK. Similarly, we just want to create a rib here also. For that, go to the sketch again. Select this one. Say OK. Take the line, this point as well as this point. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Again go for the free sketch. Go for rib. Same symmetric 8 mm. Say OK. Now the complete object is done. Just go to the orient view, isometric view. Now this model we have made completely. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.